I'm Sandy Slade, creator of Scholastics, the #1 large group physical activity resource that combines both active and cooperative learning with the development of students' fitness and sports skills. Today I'm talking about brain breaks in the classroom, specifically Be Fit to Learn Skillastics Math. Classroom teachers are being asked more and more to include physical activity in their day-to-day curriculum. And Be Fit to Learn Scholastics Math is the perfect solution for this. So Be Fit to Learn Scholastics Math is a smaller version than our other Scholastics activity kits. But it's played the exact same way, including math question cards specifically for 2nd grade, 3rd grade, 4th grade, 5th grade, and 6th grade. So this is how you play. You lay this mat in the middle of the classroom, and each team, you divide a group of children into 6 teams, and each team gets one of these miniature cards. Each team also gets category question math cards, and there's 4 different categories, and these particular ones are for 5th grade. They're fractions, multiplications, measurements, and divisions. So each team would have their own set of cards. For right now, the green team, this would be the green teams. So the way it starts, each team would be away from this large mat in the middle of the classroom. You say go, and one child from each team comes to their color and they roll their dice. Whatever they roll, they land on an activity. They look at it, they go back to their group, point it out on that miniature piece of paper, and then everybody does that activity together, the amount of repetitions that the teacher or instructor says prior to play. When they're done, the child that rolled the dice is the teacher for that moment. They look at the color border around the activity, which happens to be yellow. So they would pick a yellow card, which is division, and read that question to the group. And they would answer that question. Maybe have a piece of paper and pencils in that area so the kids could figure out the questions. Once they figure out, the question is on the back of the card, and then they answer it, then they repeat the process. So each team is doing this independently, but everybody moving, everybody active, and learning math. What's really nice about this also is we have a custom card download that looks just like these question cards, and a teacher, if they want to work on specific questions that maybe a test is coming up, they can add those questions to the templates, add it with the question cards, and so the kids are actually working on specific questions that the instructor wants them to work on. So another added bonus is that there is, in the manual, each of the question cards are with a symbol key, a shape. So each one, it doesn't say specifically that it's 2nd grade, you would identify that with a shape. So for instance, if you have 3rd grade and you have some kids that maybe aren't up to 3rd grade level math, you could put those kids in a group and you could give them the 2nd grade cards. They would have no idea they're using the 2nd grade cards because it's only identified with a symbol. And then if you have maybe higher achievers, you can put them in another group and you could give them 4th grade level cards. And that way they would also never know that they're using the 4th grade cards. The other nice thing about this manual is that in the back it shows each of the 26 activities in Be Fit to Learn Scholastics Math with a QR code. And the QR code goes to a link of children demonstrating each of the activities. So an instructor can place this throughout the room. Children can go up to it, do the QR code, see the link, and then practice the activity. Once they know everything, then they're ready to play Be Fit to Learn Scholastics Math. This is a great solution for brain breaks in the classroom.